responsibility. Thank you for the time. Before we take off the podium, may I request the President of United Naga Council to kindly come up on the stage, please. May I request Convener, Naga Tribal Hohos Coordinating Committee, please be on the stage. Yimkhiung lo bayi jang. Yes. UNC President. As a historic friendship with Danku Nagalong has brought us today, we are thankful to all the Nagas here. And as the saying goes, my friend's friend is my friend, for which, as a token of love and remembrance of Yimkhiung Tribal Council, may I request all the tribal presidents under Manipur, as I call upon, please make a lineup below the stage. President Anal Tribe, President Anal Tribe. May I request the President of Anal Tribe to come forward? If not, as representative. President Aimul Tribe. President Chote Tribe, President Chiru Tribe, President Imbui Tribe, President Khoibui Tribe, President Lamkang Tribe, President Liang Mai Tribe, President Mao Tribe, President Maram Tribe, President Mariang Tribe, President Moyon Tribe, President Mongsang Tribe, President Bomai Tribe, President Rongmai Tribe, President Daro Tribe, President Dangkul Tribe, President Thankal Tribe, President Zimi Tribe, and President Kum Tribe. May I request our officials to do the honor of presentation.
Let us give a round of applause to Yimkhiung Tribal Council. That was Ino Trongso, the president of Yimkhiung Tribal Council. We will now witness a special performance